The Jira app brings project workflows and sprint updates to digital signage, helping teams track progress and share updates in real time. When used with interactive screens, it allows teams to update tasks directly, enhancing collaboration and productivity. To create a Jira app, go to the Apps tab and add Jira. Give the app a name and an optional description. Then add your Jira login credentials. Find the board you want to display in Jira and copy and paste the URL here. Optionally, adjust the advanced settings, then click Save and your app will be ready to use. You can now add this app to a schedule or set it as the screen's default content, then push to screens and the app will be displayed in seconds.